Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. The weather is really bad, it's really pouring. It's been raining since. Can you hear the sound of the rain? It's raining. It's a very rainy day, isn't it? I hope you're all doing well. Yeah, this time of the year, even though it's raining, it's not gonna do much to our gardens, isn't it? Yeah, as the weather has changed, it's getting cooler. The rain also sets in. It's raining and raining. It's been raining since. Yeah. So how is your day going? I hope you're all doing well. Yeah. So I thought I'll share this video with you guys just to see how it has been raining since. Meanwhile, I have a bit of planting within indoor planting as well. We're doing quite well anyway. Yeah. That's some of the things I'm growing inside. As you can see, I have some Malabar spinach that is doing quite well, and a couple of seedlings in here. I have some rosemary in here. There is tomato plant that I've brought in to obviously over winter, and I have some mince in water rooting and some thyme in water as well. A couple of seedlings in here, more like a greenhouse effect in here. Yeah, just to give them that warmth. So I've covered them, I've labeled them. Yeah. I have some leaf of life. You know, growing in here. It's doing quite well. And I have a couple of some avocado plants in here and a couple of seedlings here as well. I also have a couple of seedlings in here doing well, and then some avocado plants as well. This is an avocado plant that's doing quite well. Yeah. And then some spider plants here. Another Malabar spinach that's doing well. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to subscribe. This is the avocado plants I'm showing you. It's a bit tall. I can't really, yeah. Like the video, subscribe and share. Thank you.